Hello guys, are you ready to witness the future of smartphone? Brace yourself because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is coming in late July. So today we are going to share everything about Z Fold 5. Starting from the design, the biggest complaint when it's come to the Galaxy Z Fold is the gap that's left when you close the phone. Reports claim that Samsung is finally ready to fix this with a new hinges design that will close down flat. The new hinge mechanism in Galaxy Z Fold 5 will see the folding display from a droplet shape inside the hinge when folded, eliminating the need for a crease. We have already seen similar approaches with the Moto Razr and Oppo Find N series. Talking about body and display, those all who are hoping for a more compact Galaxy Z Fold 5 compared to the Z Fold 4 are apparently out of luck. Reports suggested that the new foldable will have a very similar dimension to the ongoing one. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is said to weigh 254 grams, which is 9 grams less than the Z Fold 4. According to reports, the external display to retain the 6.2 inches as that of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Whether it will have the same tall and narrow aspect ratio remains to be seen. Guys, there is still no word on the specs of the inner display, but there is good reason to believe it will be a 7.6 inches panel as the current one. Guys, this time Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not have any S Pen slot, but there are chances that Z Fold 5 inner display will support S Pen input. About performance, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will use the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that was used in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Last year, the S22 Ultra had an Exynos 2200 chipset or a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, while the Galaxy Z Fold 4 used the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It seems this year there won't be a discrepancy in the chipset. Talking about camera, Samsung will most likely stick with the 50 megapixel ISOCELL sensor from the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as the main unit for Galaxy Z Fold 5. That leaves room for speculation whether Samsung will make improvements on the two selfie cameras, the ultra wide and 3x zoom. So guys, something about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are given at this point. It's going to be a book style foldable with two 120Hz capable displays, a triple camera on the back, the best possible chipset inside and IPX8 waterproofing. So these all things are going to make it a future smartphone. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box. And we also shared very good information about iPhone 15 as well. You can check out that video. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.